Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, my name is Omar Faruq. I appeared on IELTS examination on the 17th of February 2024 and my result has been published on the March of the 1st. Well, I got an overall band score of 7.5 in IELTS. My individual score was 8 in listening, 8.5 in reading, 7.5 in speaking and 6.5 in writing. Well, I was in the batch of the Abdul Hakim sir and my co-instructor was Umama ma'am. Well, throughout my entire IELTS journey, they helped me quite a lot. Whenever I faced any complex problems regarding to the 4 modules that I have studied here, they helped me to solve the problem quite easily. Also, the mock test that I gave to the HEXA'S Zindabazar were quite helpful for me. They gave me the exact environment which I was needed to give in the British Council exam. Also, the speaking care helped me quite a lot to improve the fluency of my speaking in English. And also, the overall, I was quite satisfied with the HEXA'S Zindabazar. I will remember them forever in my life because I achieved so good band score in IELTS. Thanks HEXA'S Zindabazar. Thanks everyone.